The question I'm most asked by fathers is, do I have a right to see my child or children? And the answer to that is actually no. You don't have a right to see your child, but what you do have is a presumption of being involved in your child's life. And this presumption actually came along relatively recently in the Children and Families Act, where it's clearly now stated that there should be shared parental involvement. It doesn't, however, mean equal time. It just means that you should be involved. It's not really based on what the mother wants, or indeed even what the father wants, because there's no particular rights in that sense. It's based on what the child needs and what's right for the child. And in order to identify what's right for the child, the court goes through the welfare checklist, and it has a number of key components such as wishes and feelings of the child, looking at the capability of the parents, and looking at the change in circumstances and the effects on the child if there was that change in circumstances, looking at the age, sex, background of the child and issues to do with harm. So it's very practical criteria that the court will use to try and identify what should happen to the child, where the child should live, who the child should see. So the court will go through all of these issues and then try to identify what type of time mother should spend and what type of time father should spend. But there's no absolute right in law to contact.